Good morning, fifth graders, and welcome to Thursday, October 8th. Couple things in this video today. Obviously, we're going to talk about what is coming up for today and what you should be responsible for and how you should make those things happen, especially as a distance learner. But I also want to talk a little bit about yesterday and the expectations and what we as teachers really are expecting for you guys when you're at home. We had a Zoom yesterday at 10 o'clock, and that's been the same. That's been talked about in class almost every day that we've been together. So please mark it in your planners, mark it on your calendars, write yourself a note, 10 o'clock Zoom with Mr. Mace on Wednesdays. But it's only obviously for you guys the Wednesdays that you're with me, right? You're not going to need to meet with me next Wednesday because you'll be back with Miss Fitz. So just make a note of it. And I would like to get a higher percentage of participation than I got yesterday. It was a really small number. And guys, we want to make sure that we make your time worth it. We're trying to give you as much personal interaction as we can. But if you don't take advantage of it, we can't do anything else with that. I also had a very limited amount of people get on and do the assignments and the activities from yesterday. There were two things, central assignments that I added yesterday to help us review some difficult concepts of fractions with unlike denominators, things like that. And those are going to be things that I expect you guys to practice and do just to make sure that you do understand the concepts moving forward. And if you don't, you definitely need to contact me. I do not expect your parents or guardians to be teachers. I don't expect them to teach you the concepts. I expect us to, through the videos, through personal questions and interactions, expect you to learn that stuff from us. Please take advantage of that. If you don't watch the video, we can't help you. If you don't ask us, we can't help you. So it is a unique situation, and it is not something that's ideal, but it is the situation we're in, and we can't change that. We are not in control of how to make this stuff happen smoother. So I know Schoology had some glitches yesterday, and I know Zoom had some glitches yesterday. So maybe for some of you that was the issue, but guys, continue to persevere, continue to contact me if something isn't working, and I'll do my best to fix what I can. All right. So moving forward with that, let's take a look at today. If you are a distance learner today, you've got things in both folders like you will pretty much every day. We are going to do lesson 1-9. Which is adding and subtracting of mixed numbers. We will actually probably do that lesson for 2 days. So there might not be anything new added to tomorrow's folder, Friday's folder. We might just be doing some catch up and trying to review and make sure that we have understood the concepts in lesson 1-9 because it is kind of a challenging one. And then in science, you have a Bill Nye video and an exit ticket to do for that Bill Nye video if you are a distance learner. If you were in class, obviously you did that on Tuesday, and you will have the in-person lab that we did with the people on Tuesday who were in class. Guys, like I said, my office hours are early in the morning or at the end of the day after school. So if you have a question before 10 o'clock, after 2 o'clock, those would be by far the best times to get a hold of me to get some direct feedback and instant feedback. If you have a question that pops up between 10 and 2, that's great. Then contact me and make sure that you are patient and understanding that I will get back to you as soon as I can, but it might not be immediately. Conferences, guys, make sure you remind your parents that conferences are coming up next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. We've got our times listed. There was an email that was sent out by the office that said, hey, here's how you sign up for conferences with your teacher. They will be held virtually on Zoom. So please make sure that your parents know how to sign up or that they need to sign up, and that we would love to see all of them so we can kind of walk them through our process of the day as well. Thank you, guys. Continue to work hard, please. We've only got 2 days left on this rotation with me, and then you're going to go back to Miss Fitz starting next week. Guys, we're all in the same boat. We're all in a difficult spot, but we need to make the most of it and make the best of it, or we're only going to fall farther and farther behind. All right? Please ask questions if you have any. I look forward to hearing from you.